Hey everyone, it's Ryan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be counting my travel fund. So this is the money that my fiance Jay and I have been saving so we can go on a well-deserved vacation this year. So let's go ahead and see how much we have saved so far. And so now I know some of you have been seeing that I've been absent for the past week, and it's only because I've been very exhausted from work, and basically my car had to get worked on. So I had a loaner car. There's just so much stuff going on, and the machines at work, they were just going down, and it was just a headache. So basically, because my car was in the shop, it actually left me with about $1,200 in credit card debt. So that's basically why I have to basically stop the savings challenge for right now and just, focus on the credit card debt. I actually had to take money from the savings. So I also wanted to say that I switched my phone bill to from T-Mobile to Mint Mobile, and the reason why is because Mint Mobile is just so much better and save a lot more money. And this is actually my first $2 bill that I got as a tip, so it's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna start with the highest number first. So 20, 40, that's 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. That's 25, 50, 75, $1. Let's just use the calculator. Let's see, 100 plus $1. Oh, did I do that right? Yeah. All right. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, another $1.03. So plus $1.03. So there you have it. We have so far $102.03. So with that being said, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with the budgeting community, because we're all a community and we also support each other. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? See you later. Peace out.